November 19th, 2022, you can see this aircraft hitting this parked vehicle. Luckily, there was no one inside, but the pilot was shaken up, not injured. You can see it lost a wing there. It was this aircraft, 2001 Piper Warrior 3, Victor Hotel, Victor Papa Oscar is the tail number. Please subscribe if you like this content. Happened at Bankstown Airport in Australia. 4 minutes after takeoff, the pilot lost power. So you can see here from the flight aware. And then it had a long skid. You can see kind of the marks here as it came through into that chain link fence and into the back of that Mazda. There's part of the wing there. Thank you, Channel 9 News Australia, for this footage. So firefighters are going to get on scene. They're going to establish command, and they're going to see if there's any fire or fuel. Does the pilot needs to be extricated? Is there anybody on the ground injured? Definitely want that pilot to be medically treated. It was a young pilot, newly married, expecting a child on the way. So I'm sure it was shaken up. Here's a closer look at the props here, bent. And then also a look at that Mazda chain link fence, totally destroyed. And you can see from the aft section, that wheel went right into the back of that car. So luckily, the woman wasn't there. That's the owner of the Mazda. She's okay. And then they're going to go ahead and separate the aircraft and the car and call the insurance companies for both. And while that aircraft is hanging around, thank you for hanging around. And please subscribe if you like this channel. This is Arford. I'm Keone. I'll see you guys next time.